Season 4 Episode 13. Tamir Brown's second clone made a Lusitania sink in 1915/arrested for a month/grounded. Why did I get grounded for making a deathbed video out of Titanic? What should I do? I know, I'm gonna make Lusitania sink in 1915. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'm going to back in 1915, I'm going to a submarine. When Tamir Brown's second clone got to back in 1915 with submarine.
This is not a submarine, this is airport control tower, because Plotagon don't have submarine scenes.
Okay, here's the Lusitania, let me get torpedo near the Lusitania to mark it and sink. Ha ha ha, now time to go back in 2026, and go back home. When the police got to Tamir Brown's second clone.
Tamir Brown's second clone, you were under arrest for making Lusitania sink in 1915, get in my police car right now you.
When Tamir Brown's second clone arrived to jail.
This is your cell. You will be staying here for 1 month. We have some visitors.
Tamir Gale Lou. How dare you sink Lusitania in 1915? That's it. You are grounded until you get out of jail.
Wah! Thanks for watching.